Hey, what's happening, everybody? This is Chad Henry for you here at Holiday Motors in Portsmouth, Virginia. Today I'm showing you this gorgeous 2015 Ram 1500 Laramie Longhorn that we have in. As you can see, it's lifted. It's got a beautiful set of 24-inch polished wheels on it. We just polished them out again. They look amazing. This has a rough country lift on it. The truck only has 73,000 miles on it, I believe. I'll get inside and show you that exactly here just in a second. It's a 15. The headlights were a little faded on it, so we put some brand new headlights in it. All original paint all the way around it. Clean history report, no accidents. Very little road rash or wear on this front bumper, as you can see here. Little to none on the hood. The paint's in beautiful condition. Of course, it's got the two-tone black and gold paint there. And that Laramie Longhorn, and we'll show you all that gorgeous interior here in a second too. This has got that rough country lift on it. Spare rag up at the top control arm there. Coilovers are adjustable, as you can see here. It does have a set of power running boards on it. And of course, this is a passive remote keyless entry with remote start. And then the Ram lock box or bed boxes here. Nice hard shell tonneau cover. Of course, backup camera, backup proximity sensors, tow package, soft opening tailgate, spray-in bed liner. This wheel has a little bit of curb damage around the edge of it. Not too terrible bad. Again, power running boards. They're already deployed. I've got this door open, obviously, there. And then, of course, that gorgeous Longhorn interior. Very minor wear on the driver's seat here. Adjustable pedals, and then it does have the heated steering wheel and heated seats, cooled seats, the electric trailer brake. Of course, this is four-wheel drive, push button start, and it does have backup camera. Of course, a great Bluetooth system, tons of apps here. Touchscreen climate control, navigation, satellite radio, and yes, 73,157 on the odometer. Of course, the steering wheel stereo controls with your cruise control here, and then your volume and stereo buttons are on the back side of it. So power sliding rear window, and of course, your power sunroof here. Of course, that brown stitching carrying through here on the dash. No cracks, nice and clean. Has the factory Alpine stereo in it. Of course, these Ram trucks have the dual glove boxes. There's your owner's manual, the factory lugs, and the wheel lock keys. And then we've got some additional USB and power sources, auxiliary source. Got the storage in the floor here. Of course, these fold out if you ever need that kind of cargo space. And these are also rear heated seats. So of course, very well equipped, super nice, extremely clean truck. And as you can see, that black paint is gorgeous. This has been very, very well taken care of. We actually sold this truck a few years ago, and I just bought it back from that owner. He wasn't driving it a whole lot, works from home. He had this and a motorcycle, so he called me about it, and so I went and bought the package. So we've still got to wipe down underneath the hood here, but very clean, no oil leaks or major problems. So we've just serviced it and changed the oil, as well as new Virginia State inspection sticker. And we've got it right here for you at Holiday Motors, 3203 Victory Boulevard in Portsmouth, Virginia. Been right here since 1974. We do have financing available. Of course, top dollar for your trades, and we can help arrange for shipping and delivery if needed as well. So give us a call today. Let us know how we can put it together and earn your business. You can actually reach me directly at 757-676-4444. I appreciate you watching as always and look forward to hearing from you.